If you are interested in creating time freedom, then learning how to generate passive income is crucial to obtaining that elusive freedom that you seek. Hey, it's Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and I'm going to lay out for you 5 different methods to create passive income, plus even give you some instructions and some examples to help you get started. So first off, what are we classifying as passive income? Well, basically, passive income means that while it does take work, usually in setting some stuff up or creating some content, you do the work up front. You do that once. And that work will continue to bring in income long term, long after you've put the work in. The income comes in passively, hence passive income. Now, one great way to do this is simply through a PDF download, whether posted directly onto your website like this, or as a call to action on a blog post or a YouTube video. But in that PDF download, you should be giving some great information to your audience. And guess what? You can put in links for your affiliate offers. If you're in health and wellness, you could have a PDF download with a meal plan. They download it, they open it up, and guess what? You've got a meal plan laid out there, but you know what? They're gonna need a digital scale to measure their food. You can put a link in there, your affiliate link, to purchase the very best digital scale that you recommend. Doing things like this creates passive income. You've got it out there, it's out on the internet, and when people find it and they consume this PDF download, this content, you can be generating sales even while you're off doing other stuff. It's a great way to create passive income. You can do this on your website, just as a sidebar, something on your website. You can do this in your YouTube videos, your blog posts, Facebook, wherever you're creating content, wherever you're growing your audience. Number 2, creating content. Creating videos, blog posts, podcasts, whatever, that leads into affiliate offers. So do a video tutorial on how to use QuickBooks. And in that you have a link to get signed up to use QuickBooks. Great way to do it. That video can serve you for years to come. You may put in a few hours up front, and then you may still be making sales on it a couple years later. Passive income. Number 3, writing books. And it really doesn't have to be huge, really long books, so don't let that scare you off. You can do ebooks. You can actually do self-publishing directly from Amazon to Kindle. Amazon Kindle publishing. On top of being able to generate some income from it, it's also a great way to generate leads and build authority in your niche by having a book. So you can do Amazon publishing through Amazon, you can self-publish to Kindle, you can self-publish for paperback books, and even send it to Audible. Number 4, just generating ad revenue from your content. On YouTube, once you've hit their required minimums for watch time and subscribers, you can actually monetize your videos. You can either have in-stream videos when you're watching YouTube and you have that video that shows up, that ad that you can skip after 5 seconds. That's an in-stream video. That video's creator gets paid when people are putting those ads on their videos. They also have the pop-up ads. Not quite as common, but you will see them as well, where people have a little pop-up on the video. You, as a creator, get paid for allowing people to put those ads on. If you do podcasting, it's very common to have sponsors for your podcast where you're giving great value, but you add a little pitch. Hey, this podcast is brought to you by QuickBooks. If you are looking for small business solutions, blah, 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 make sure to go to, and then you give your website with your affiliate link. Once you have enough audience, you're going to have companies that are willing to pay you to sponsor your podcast. And if you're into blogging, you've got a website, you can just have Google AdWords. Google will put ads for you on your website and pay you to do it. If you just look at this example from WebMD, this is exactly what this looks like. WebMD's got great content that brings people to their site, but while they're here, you will be able to find advertisements that speak to that same audience. Number 5, Shutterstock. This is a really cool website that allows you to take pictures, make videos, make music, and sell it. It's great. You just head to Shutterstock.com and select the Become a Contributor option at the top of the page. You can learn more about their program and get signed up to contribute and to start earning. But think about it, that's passive. You go out to the beach, you take some really cool sunset photos, and then you upload them, and Shutterstock will continue to sell those photos again and again, and you make commissions on it. And let's be real, you aren't going to get rich from just 1 or 2 sales from any of these options. But you should think of them as sort of online real estate assets, if you will, each providing you with another passive income stream, and the more assets you create, the more income you're going to generate, until you're creating a substantial passive online income stream. Now, I really hope this gets your wheels turning on different ways you can start generating passive income, and that you actually implement some of these strategies so that you can create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. Now, to learn more about content creation so you can sell your affiliate offers, make sure to check out the video up here in the upper right corner of your screen. If you're new to our channel, make sure to say hi in the comments so that we can welcome you. If you want to see our #1 recommended affiliate offer, I'll make sure that that is the top link in the description so you can check that out and see if it works for you. This is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. We're rooting for you. I'll see you soon.